Hi, I'm Skylar, and today I'm going to show you how to download audio lectures onto your iPod Touch. Let's start by going to our home screen. Now, I've already gone out to the App Store and installed an application called iTunes U. iTunes U is a direct portal to what used to be a section of the iTunes Store for podcasts called iTunes U. And iTunes U was initially started as a place where universities from all over the world could send video recordings of their lectures so that anybody could download them and listen to them. And what happened over time was that a lot of universities and independents started to take advantage of this, and it became really popular. So Apple spun off an app called iTunes U. iTunes U looks a lot like iBooks if you've downloaded that already and maybe looked at the user manual for your iPod. And here we see that I've got a course called Ecosystems from the Open University. And another one is syncing already to my iPod. These are things that I've downloaded previously, and now they're starting to come down. But what we're going to do is go out to the university, and we see the front page. Looks a lot like the App Store. From here I can see a couple different courses that are noteworthy or new. So I can see new courses: creative writing, a masterclass, earthquake, college algebra, history, the Roman world, Johns Hopkins University, statistical reasoning. That sounds interesting. Let's check it out. So we tap on statistical reasoning. Wait for it to load. And here we see a description and course outline. This tells us a little bit of what we're going to be learning. If it sounds interesting, I can scroll down and see the various podcast episodes. In this case, these are video podcasts. If I go back up to the top, I can tap Subscribe Free and tap Get Course. We'll see iTunes U flip back over to my bookshelf, and we'll see that course start to download. Then all I have to do is wait a second, and once it's done, tap on it. From here I can see an overview of the course, the instructor, and an outline. So I'll tap Overview. It tells me the description I already read. So really what I'm interested in is posts. So if I tap Posts, Lecture 1, Describing Data. If I scroll down, Practice 1, Continuous Data, and so on and so forth. So what we're meant to imagine is that these are like courses. And so when you go to a college class or even a high school class, there's a lecture and then the professor assigns you some sort of homework. Same thing. So I'll watch the lecture and I tap the little arrow here to download it. Once it downloads, then I can check it out. And there we go. I'm listening to a lecture from Johns Hopkins University, absolutely free. I'm Skylar, and this was how to download lectures on your iPod Touch.